Hello family, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer, for those are new. Today is a part 3 on the fog light installation. Part 3 is just going to be based on the calibration on the fog lights. If you guys know, when you guys get the fog lights, some of them might be aiming upward, almost to your headlight. So what you want to do is calibrate them for them to aim down, especially if they're yellow, they're LED, you want them to aim down. So we're going to teach you guys how to do that, and then that's pretty much the last step on the fog lights. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy. So for this part of the video, I'm not going to be lifting the car. I'm actually able to fit down there, so that's good. But if you guys are following my videos since part 1 and your car should be lifted, then you have no issues, so it will actually be more easier. So I'll leave the link below for part 1 and part 2, and let's get down to it. Let's do this. Now the best way of doing this, as you see right here, there's a mini plastic bolt which helps calibrate the fog lights. You all should have this on your headlights too. This one actually, I know for a fact that if you turn it to the right, which technically tightens them, it will make the fog lights aim down. If you make it to the left, then obviously it's gonna aim them up. Now the best way of doing this, it should be like late afternoon or early morning, so you can actually maybe aim at a door, which you'll probably, or a wall, which you'll probably, shoot around here, then you can calibrate them from there. Now the way I'm doing it right now, I'm actually putting a cardboard box on the front and aim from there. That's actually how I did it the first time, since I'm not a morning person, sadly, and nighttime it's a little bit hard to work on. So we'll see how this works and see if you guys can actually see, and then we'll see the results at night too, for sure. So I'm actually gonna go in and turn on, not fully turn on. There you go, turn on. There you go, they're on right there. I'm actually gonna turn on the car, turn the fog lights on, and then we'll see how they aim. This is definitely hard on the daylight. See what I'm saying? Let's see how we make this. This is harder than I thought. So as you'll see, the light right here is aiming up. See the shadow over here. So we are gonna aim it. It is aiming up. So we are gonna calibrate and see if we actually make it down to at least this point. So far what I'm seeing is that it's technically right here, so we gotta aim it down here. So make that happen right now. If you guys can see it there, we're gonna be doing to the right. You guys see it go down. So you go to the left, picks up. There you go. That was picking up. So you go to the right, and it starts to go down. Nice and steady. Oh, there we go. I think that's the max. So it looks good. Same thing with the other side. So it starts to go down. In some cases, actual piece comes out. That's when you go all the way to the lowest that will probably go. So you see, I'm not aiming up here anymore. I'm aiming down here where the LED bolt's actually aiming. So it's aiming down now. Same as the other side. That's pretty much it. It's not up there anymore. Now it's actually down here. So I'm pretty sure we have a good calibration of this one. Usually fog lights are supposed to be aiming down. I know some people will like their fog lights to aim up. I've seen some trucks where they're aiming up and people get blind. I don't think no one wants that. It's really annoying. My other car, my first car, when I actually installed them, there's people crossing the street and the fog lights were actually aimed at their faces, and you'll see them like nighttime, you know, passing by, they'll be covering their face because the fog light was aiming at their face. I think even though it's not as bright as the headlights, I think it is annoying. Honestly, it annoys people, the yellow lights and everything on their eyes. So yeah, just keep that in mind, because the headlights actually aim down, you know, they're not aimed straight at people's faces, you know what I'm saying? So this one actually did. Now in this one, I tried to calibrate them before I installed them, but I didn't. Once again, you know, you learn from your mistakes. I'm being honest with you guys. So I did them now. They're aiming down. We'll see some pictures, videos on the nighttime. It is aiming down now. Next video though, we'll be talking about the new ads on the Camry, so stay tuned. So there you have it, fam. The fog lights are now aiming down, nice and bright. They aim down and forward too, so as you see over there the car. So it looks good. It's perfect. Forward too, so that's a good thing. You know, they're round. It's a whole different thing as you see the car there. So they do help a little bit with the vision on the low and the high vision. So they aim straight, pretty much forward. A little bit low. A little bit low and forward. So it's perfect. Calibration is perfect. Love what I'm seeing there. It's good. Alrighty then. So from inside the car, you can clearly see that they do help. It's mostly for exhibition, you know, car events. So there you have it. Before the calibration, it was actually aiming up here. So I mean, kind of see difference. It actually went down. It's aiming down over there. So it's good. Nice and round. They're nice and LED flashy. So if you see my part 1 video, I did get the LED bulb. If having problems, you might want to, with the lights, even though the switch is on, as you see there, you turn off the car. It is on actually. Turn it off and it turns off. So the 15 fuse that I recommend putting on is pretty much for this, the cigarette one, which when you turn off your key or you press the button and the car turns off, it turns off the switch. So the switch is off, just in case you forget to, you know, turn off your fog lights and you turn off with the car. So any questions regarding the physical installation of the fog lights will be in part 1, and any questions on cables, connections and connectivity will be on part 2. This one's part 3. This is just all about the calibration of the fog lights. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below, or you can also message me through my IG. Now it's in public, so I'll be getting the messages. Thank you, fam, for watching. Have a good one. Enjoy the quarantine time, staying home, and it's privileged that we can still go out to the street walk. Trust me, other countries, they're not able to go out. Check South America. Have a good one, fam. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.